Let's make our easy fill hanging baskets for our strawberries. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to be using these easy fill hanging baskets from Oakland Gardens Limited and filling them with strawberries. Now we've got 300 strawberry plants because we've got 20 of these to fill, and I'm going to have them in my polytunnel hung up from these bars at the middle of the polytunnel and grow them indoors. Now we've gone for a ever bearing strawberry, so fingers crossed this should fruit all the way through summer. That is the plan anyway. Hopefully they do. As long as we keep taking the runners off, they'll keep fruiting all the way through summer. So let's get on and let's crack on with filling these hanging baskets and getting absolutely loads of strawberries this. Now we've ordered the strawberries as dry root runners, and yeah, as you can see, they're just roots, they're not covered in soil or anything like that. So what you need to do when you get these is you need to soak them for about an hour to 2 hours so that it wakes them up, gives them a drink of water before planting them in the hanging basket. So let's leave these to soak for an hour before planting them up. So we put them to soak in some water for an hour or so, let them drink, let them wake up, and then we'll get them planted into the hanging baskets. So we've left them to soak for an hour, and yeah, they're picking up, they're waking up now. So now is the time to get them planted in the hanging baskets, all 300 of them, absolutely loads. But we're going to be inundated with strawberries and hopefully they'll be delicious. Complete a easy fill basket. So first off, we need to put these clips in, which are easy enough. You just slot them in like so, nice and easy. Obviously, if they're bigger plants, you put your plants in first and then you put your clips in. As you can see, there's space for 12 plants. We'll also be putting a couple in top if we've got any spare left over. We've obviously got 20 of these to do. So that's 15 plants per planter. First off, then you need your strawberry plants, which obviously we've had soaking. And what I do, I'm getting the bigger ones first, is we put 4 around the bottom first. Then we cover them ones with compost. Need to make sure they're secured in. We don't want them falling out. So there we have it. Our first basket is complete. So yeah, just make sure that the strawberries are in well and fastened in good, because we don't want them falling out. That's one thing that we don't want them doing. We don't want them all falling out once they're in. We need them to take root pretty well. So obviously the last job is just to water them. We'll water them all at the end, once we've got them done. So yeah. And there we have it. That's that one done. Like I said, we'll probably put some in the top, but we will wait until we've done them all, see how many we've got left and if we can do it or not. So next up is just to get the chain in, which is an easy job as well. Just pop that in there like that. And then obviously it needs a good water, so we'll put that into place for the time being and do the rest of them. And there we have it, we've got them all up now and they all look absolutely fantastic come summertime and all the strawberries are growing. Obviously we've got the strawberries popping out of the sides, nice and secure. So yeah, keep them watered and hopefully they'll grow really well in here. And they should be ready earlier than the ones outside because it'll be warmer and hotter, so we'll have to keep them watered well. We're going to set up irrigation as well to keep them watered well and to look after them. So yeah, a job well done. We've got some to put in the top still. We've still got a lot left over, so we're going to put some in the top, but we'll do that next week. That's the job for next week now. We've absolutely smashed it today, absolutely loads. So every week we'll post an update on how well the strawberries are doing, so you can keep along and see how well they're growing here in the polytunnel and how well they bear their fruit this year and hopefully get a good crop from them. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and how well they're getting on. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.